Hey Smita, I heard you just started your marketing firm. That's so cool.
Yeah, it's amazing. I've been planning it for a while.
How did you manage to get the funds for that?
I invested in large cap funds a few years ago.
Large cap funds? Those investments helped you start your own marketing firm.
Yes, these funds allocate at least 80% of their investments to the top 100 companies in terms of market capitalization, which are traditionally established businesses with proven business models and competitive advantages. This approach tends to offer a more balanced strategy, prioritizing stability and aiming to generate wealth.
That's really smart. Maybe I should start investing for my own dream business too.
On top of investment की हर जानकारी progressive and focused है ये extraordinary, an investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments